So we're fixing few bikes, Manuel. The VFR 800, new battery. CX9, we're trying to see if it's a spark plug or the fuel pump. Also, the R1, this R1 has 5,000 miles. It's incredible the showroom condition that this bike has. But we have some issues. The carburetors are not working, so he's gonna take out the carburetors and try to see if we can make it work soon. We have the original exhaust. This one came with a DND exhaust. I personally like the original exhaust. The sound might be better on the DND, but what I like is a motorcycle that is original. So the original looks like this one. This is a version for 2001. I like the color is original. So we probably do a video with the two R1's. And maybe you guys can tell us which sounds better, the DND or the original exhaust. I know the answer, but it's just a thing, you know, you can choose to have a really good sound or have an original bike. So it's preference. This is the titanium on the R1 2000. Look how beautiful this exhaust is. I have a new one for the blue R1, both R2000. I don't remember how many miles I have on the red one. It is less than 10. But the blue one is showroom condition. It's incredible, you know, and probably the only little scratch is here. You might not even see it when you have the seat on, but it's a great bike. So soon we're gonna have a full episode produced video with the R1's 2000, the Millennial Edition. This is a historic bike. I think this is a second or third generation, maybe. It's carburetor still, but I love these bikes. I mean, come on. Who doesn't like an R1? You know, the original R1's are just historic, aggressive, fast, you name it, okay? So hope to see you soon. Thank you for supporting Motorcycle Brothers. Bye-bye.